If you've found yourself locked out of your Chime account, don't worry. This guide will help you quickly recover access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Chime website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Chime account. Ensure that you enter the correct information to receive the recovery link. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a recovery email or SMS from Chime. Follow the instructions in the message to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have reset your password, return to the Chime login page. Enter your email and new password to access your account successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your locked Chime account quickly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime customer support for further assistance.